Hey, happy Thursday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, first off, I want to let everybody know we will be open tomorrow, July 4th, normal business hours. And we'll have some in-store specials. So if you've been thinking about a piece of electronics or a computer, come by and see us. Nothing wrong with saving a little money. Today, kind of echoing what I was talking about yesterday with new build prices. With new builds being pretty expensive these days due to a little, price creep on everything from motherboards to RAM to storage especially, and everything is being affected right now. So it's a good time to consider refurbished. We always try to keep something around that's in a desktop and a laptop that's refurbished. Therefore, the customer saves money and you get a good bang for your technology buck. I mean, the ThinkStation, the P520 we have sitting over there with the quad-core Xeon in it, can do just about anything you need to do without, breaking the bank. That one's listed at $550 plus tax, and it's got a terabyte main drive and a 2 terabyte storage drive with a 4 gig video card. So if you need to do content creation, if you need to do CAD, that machine is there for you and upgradable at the same time without breaking the bank. So consider refurbished as well, depending on the need for the PC you have in mind. Come on by and see us. We're at Jets PC at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for subscribing over on our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.